Okay, guys, this is it. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Universal in Orlando. All right, you guys had a fun time. Say bye. We're going soon. So who had fun?
Me.
No, you don't like it?
Me.
Brandon, you had fun?
Yeah.
Who said me?
Me.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Kate?
Yes. I love my milkshake.
Yeah, you love your, what's that?
Caleb,
Chocolate
that made us go on
Emporium?
human traffic.
What's it
It's
called?
like mint chocolate something.
What's that store called again?
Chocolate something. I don't know.
Yeah, some chocolate Willy Wonka place at Universal. All right, so now we're headed to Clearwater.
Yeah.
But we're gonna take some stops. Did you like it?
I did. It was so fun. Thank you for having me.
Huh?
Thank you for bringing me.
Oh, sure. So what ride did you like the most?
I think Hagrid's was probably the best one.
Hagrid? Yeah, I like that the best too. The motorcycle.
That
Yeah.
was my favorite.
Definitely worth it.
For 3 hours, you beat everybody.
Worth the wait.
You didn't get to ride it.
The wine was
Even Daddy got to ride Hagrid's. He liked it.
Emmy did not have fun.
Bye bye.
30.
Yeah,
3 years.
2025.
Maybe 3 years. I don't know.
30.
25.
Expensive.
No.
Everybody say bye bye.
Bye-bye. 2025, guys.
On to Universal Studios again.
No.
Bye.
Not
hotel.
again.
That was a pretty nice hotel. You guys like the hotel?
Yeah.
So let's see how Hampton Inn is at Clearwater. Hi Zoe, what you doing? Hi Brandon. Hi Chloe. Hi Kate. Hi Emmy. Hi Mark. Hi Dad. Okay, well, this is the pub restaurant. Okay guys, let's try out this pho place that Linda told us to go to. Alright, where's Emmy? Finally.
I just said boo.
Now, what's the McMum?
Brandon, look here.
Yeah.
Your pho. Alright.
Fish sauce.
Caitlin and Chloe. Look here. Okay. Zoe, look here. With your pho. You like it?
Yeah.
Yummy. You gotta finish all of it. How is it, Zoe? Is it good? Good pho. So how is it, Kate? Is it good? Good? How is it, Brandon? Is it good? Chloe, is it good? Chloe?
Sticking it out.
Wow, she almost finished it all.
Mom.
Yeah, this is my pho, duck with no thigh. It's pretty big. How is it, Mark? Is it good? Spicy? Not spicy enough. Did you try it yet, Em? Try it and see. Is it good? It's really good? Thank you, Golinda.
Lots of cilantro.
Oh, yeah.
How is it still not spicy?
Well, Brandon's almost done his big bowl. Chloe's almost done. Do you try it yet, Dad?
Not yet. I'm putting this stuff in here.
How's it, Em? Is it good, Em? How's the meat, Zoe? Good? Yeah, beefy fellow. Whoa, air conditioned. Sorry, Zoe. Alright.
I'm just gonna eat it all.
Good job for sure.
Good job,
No,
Chloe.
no. Let me
Chloe, you ate one yet?
put on the top. Let me borrow it.
Sorry, you look like a sailor hat.
Did you have to pay extra for that?
What did you
No, it's a
drink?
part of it.
What drinks did you get?
Chloe, look at me, Chloe. Good? Careful.
No.
No, you did you
Eat,
eat
go
one?
ahead.
Good job for sharing.
Good job.
Good. Let me clean this
Good?
up. You keep this. Look.
This is like a little Saigon area. In Orlando, Florida. So what is this? Mochi donuts.
Dozen? No, that's too much, right? Half a dozen.
We're getting mochi donut. This is so tasty.
You love them? Oh, Disney
That's a
Hotel.
training building.
Red light camera ahead.
About 30 more minutes to the hotel. We're almost here.
This is what. Where is it? We could go on over.
We're almost there. Excited?
I can't remember. Where did I put my hat?
I don't know. Chloe, excited?
Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go Hooters. Oh my god.
Hooters.
I want to see Ron John.
Hilton.
Oh yeah, this is the whole pier, remember? The pier.
I mean, who's Ron John?
Hilton
It's like a surf shop.
Going there. We're going Hampton.
Yeah, here's like the
Mom wanted to
pier.
rent this one, but she didn't want to.
That one?
Yeah.
I don't want that one.
Why not?
We
It's
want
all
the
same
nice
price.
Pier 60. Yeah, this is the place we walked around with Linda and stuff. Remember? We took pictures.
That is not the cheapest one.
The pier.
Oh, it's gone.
Like a mile away walk, maybe.
Yeah, right. That's our hotel, I think. Hampton Inn.
Dad. Oh, Dad.
Yeah.
Are you fit?
All right, we're at our hotel, Zoe. We're at our hotel. Ooh. Nice. Floor again.
What room? Oh, so two.
Wow. Let's see.
Mark, you have
Whoa.
floor space.
Whoa!
Oh.
Yeah. Wow, this is you and me on the couch.
No wonder this place is so expensive.
Nice.
Yeah, those
That's the fridge.
Put our bubble teas in
check
here.
out the bathroom.
Mark,
I mean, put mine in there.
Oh, the safe side
Look, so there's 2 beds. And then there's the couch area.
Side table.
Okay, then look at the safe.
Why is the safe in the bathroom?
All right, let's see, Zoe. Wow.
View of the beach.
Wow, look at this view.
There's another island over there that we can go to.
Uh-huh. Look at the beach. You like it?
What do you mean I like it? I love it.
Having fun? Yeah, this is very spacious.
Oh yeah, Dad, can you look at my phone today? Is that a private thing?
You need a luggage cord.
This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
And
Wow,
over,
so nice.
come over here. Come over here.
That's the
We have a
safe
safe.
in the
And
closet.
here we have a closet.
Iron
a
board.
mirror,
Iron. Uh-huh.
and we have
Blow
a
dryer.
blow dryer,
Yeah.
a sink,
Oh my god, this is
a soap thing,
Uh-huh.
and also a hanger for a towel.
Yeah.
And one piece of toilet paper.
Extra.
Why one piece?
Yeah, because they'll fill it tomorrow. Okay, let's see this.
So
This
here's
is the bathroom.
bathroom.
With all the
Here's
towels.
where the bar of soap is. Here's what towels are. This is our modern shower that we're going to take our bath in. And here's the
Toilet.
toilet.
Yeah, okay.
That's it.
Ooh. And they give us some soap.
Ooh, and I forgot to tell you
Fancy.
something in the closet here.
Huh?
I forgot to tell you something in the
What?
closet. There's an ironing.
Yeah, yeah, we saw that. Uh-huh. Cool.
And there's something let me show you over here. So this is the couch. This is a chair for Chloe's.
Are you doing a room tour?
Mommy told me. Okay, so come on in.
Alright.
You see the kitchen area.
Wow. Okay, so let's see. Is there a fridge? Open up the fridge.
Oh, so here's the fridge.
Wow. Okay, and then there's a
Do you wanna
microwave.
see another fridge? There's another fridge.
Yeah, there's a fridge for like drinks. That's a drinks fridge. Wow. It's like a wine cooler if you want wine.
Yeah.
And there's a TV and a desk area. Very spacious.
And here are beds.
Yep, comfy.
Comfy.
Yeah.
They're so soft. I already found some shells.
Yeah. Go in the water first. You can look for the shells later. Okay, we're actually at Clearwater. This is the beach, and then we've got our hotel is here, the Hampton. That one. Is it nice? Good?
Mom, I found anchovy long. Yeah.
It's a picture? I was videotaping.
It's fine, videotape, and then you can take picture with the videotape.
Say cheese.
No.
Come on, Ken, the water's fine.
It's warm when you get in, Kate. It's really nice.
Ready, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you guys want?
Huh?
What do you guys want? How long do you want me to videotape?
It's fine. It's good.
Hey, you were trying to kick me in the face. Hey, guys.
Oh, wait, no.
Zoe, you coming over?
Can't walk.
Can't walk?
I'm too short. I can't walk. I gotta get to more shallow water. What?
Zoe. There she goes.
I'm loving walk.
Why are you guys coming over?
Hey, Kate, actually,
Faster than you.
we should take a picture of this side.
Contest. Who can swim the farthest?
What are you talking about?
Chloe won.
Huh? I didn't even heal. It's a spell.
So, what you digging for? So there's like tons of little shells. So, what you doing? Getting water? There's tons of shells down here. There is one. Come in. Caitlin finally got in the water. You are having fun? You like it here?
Yeah.
Good. So we just got in. Today's Wednesday, June 6th, or July 6th, 2022. And it's almost 7 and the water is still very warm. Hey guys. Hey. The water's really nice. You guys should try and come in. This is a perfect time because it's not sunny. Not hot and sunny. Is that a water volleyball? Alright, we're at Clearwater.
I'm going to get that. What the heck?
Hey. Amateurs. Good job. Whoa. about 78 degrees. Very little humidity. Oh. Oh. What you doing, Zoe? Hey. What are you doing, Zoe? Scooping some sand in there.
No, I'm making sand.
Ah.
I need lots of sand.
This is for sandcastle. That's what you're doing.
So, look, you need wet sand.
Yep.
How'd you get that wet sand? I got bumped it.
Uh-huh.
And put it on the sand.
Yep.
That's how you make wet sand.
Working hard.
You need to have some wiggle pads for seasoning.
Seasoning.
And then just keep digging until it's full.
Yeah. Hey guys.
You can only go so far.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
This is part of it. Look like.
Hey guys, a boat in the back. Hey, line up for a picture. Zoe, you're swimming? You know how to swim?
Wait, let me go in the deep end. Come on.
Okay.
Let's
Let's go.
Follow me. Come on.
Okay.
I'm swimming.
Alright.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Yeah, but what are you guys doing at home? I'm
Only go so far. If you returned that, I would have been so mad.
Where?
That was a full dive.
Come on.
Really? You got cut?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm making that.
Hi, Kate. You like it?
I want to be in my hotel room.
You come all this way to the hotel room?
Having fun so far?
So this is the farthest I can go. But I can go farther.
Yeah, you could go farther because you have a floaty on.
Come on. Go.
Sorry.
Careful.
Sorry. Yes, it's part of the experience.
it.
No, I need to do it again.
No.
No,
Do
for
what?
the picture, it's for the picture.
No.
It's for the picture.
Ew, did you spin me?
No.
You're dead.
No. Okay. Brandon, you
on
can
me.
come and you hate yourself.
Sorry. No, guys, get out of me.
Spread out a little.
Look at that sunset.
Fly me to the sunset gate.
Best part of vacation.
Zoe, come in. Yeah. Too far.
You guys like this better or Universal better?
Yeah.
Huh?
What?
This or Universal better?
Both.
Okay, Kate, look here.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Okay, stay in.
A picture? surf pool. There's a hot tub here. Is it nice, Bran? You're wearing your Crocs? Oh, look at the rainbow, guys.
No smoking on.
Emma, look at that view.
This is the light side, and this is the gloomy side with the rainbow.
That looks at
Oh wow.
Is it ball?
Look at those clouds.
Something's in the water.
Something.
A bulb. Bulb.
Zoe is knocked out. Chloe's trying to do her homework before tomorrow. Mark's resting. Addie's resting. Caitlin and Emily are resting.